If I was going to start dropshipping all over again from scratch, here's what I would do. This is going to be like a super fast mini course, so make sure you're paying attention. Alright, so first I'd want to find a product. I'd go on a website like Exploding Topics and see what's going on here, what's becoming popular. Or I'd go on Flippa and search by dropshipping websites and get some ideas there. Or honestly, what I do most of the time is just scroll through AliExpress and see if I can find any cool products. Like this one's kind of cool. Alright, so once I found a product that I really like, the first thing I would do is order it to my house. And as I'm waiting for the product to deliver, I would just go on Shopify and start building my website around it. And also while I'm waiting for the product to arrive, I build my social media pages. So I build like the Instagram, the TikTok, get all the links ready. After I got all that done, let's just say that this is the product and it arrived to my house. I would start filming content for it on TikTok. I would post 3 times a day with UGC style of content. And if you don't know, UGC style is basically just using your iPhone, posting on TikTok, make it look super organic and natural to the platform. The reason that I would do this right away in 2022 is because you're essentially testing your ads for free. TikTok's algorithm basically promotes things that are very engaging, so you're going to do all of your ad creative testing on TikTok, and it's literally going to tell you which ones are performing better and how they're engaging. I would probably test that for a couple weeks, and then I would take the best performing TikToks and move them over to Instagram Reels and Facebook advertising. And during this time, I would make sure to have really good communication with my supplier, make sure he's shipping it out on time, make sure the quality is good. Then I'd start improving every single aspect of the business, increasing my margins, better website, and then start digging into the paid ads. But we'll get into that stuff in a different video, so make sure you're following along and follow me on YouTube if you want full-length tips.